The Little Crocodile's Splashy Hiccup Bedtime Story. In a warm, sleepy river, under a sky full of twinkling stars, lived a tiny baby crocodile named Nilo. Nilo had soft green scales, a wiggly little tail, and the cutest tiny teeth. All day long, Nilo loved to swim in the water. Swish, swish, swish. He splashed with the fish, chased floating leaves, and made circles in the river. But when night came, Nilo couldn't fall asleep. He rolled in the water, then floated on his back. Still no sleep. "I'm not sleepy yet," he whispered softly. Just then, he drank a little too much water. Hiccup! Nilo blinked. Then again, hiccup! A tiny splash popped beside him. He tried to stay serious. Hiccup! Splash! Soon, Nilo started giggling. The river rocked gently. The stars shimmered above. His hiccups became smaller. Hic, hic. His little body relaxed. His tail stopped wiggling. He floated close to Mama Crocodile, feeling safe and warm. One last tiny hiccup. Hic. And slowly, very slowly, he drifted into a calm, happy sleep. Good night. Giggle softly and sleep by the river.